Hi, 1b. Let's start talking about our last topics for this week. And that's finding the equation of a line through 2 points. So in this case, I'm not going to give you the slope like I did in the last type of problem. We're going to have to find it ourselves. So here's our problem. Find the equation of the line through the points 1, -2, and -7, 2. First step, we need to find the slope. So I'm going to take my x's and my y's, my 1, -2, and my -7, 2. And I'm going to subtract my 2 y's and subtract my 2 x's. So if I subtract my y's, I get -2 minus 2, which is -4. If I subtract my x's, I get 1 minus -7, which is 8. So then my slope is the change in y over the change in x, which is -4 over 8, or -1/2. Now from here, everything is exactly the same as the last problem, because now we know that my value for m is -1/2. So I'm going to take my equation, y equals mx plus b, and I'm going to write -1/2 in place of my m. So again, this should be looking very familiar to us. Now my third step says using the given point, and in this case I have 2 to choose from, I'm going to substitute the proper values for x and y. Now which values you use really just depends on your personal preference. I'm going to use the point -7, 2 as my x and my y, but you could have used either of the 2 points. So I'll say 2 equals -1/2 times -7 plus b. Next step, solve my equation for b. So I want to start with my simplification. -1/2 times -7 is positive 3.5. But then to get b by itself, I'm going to subtract 3.5 from both the left and the right. And get that -1.5 equals b. Which leaves me with my very final step for this process. And that is I'm going to write my equation y equals mx plus b. So y equals, my m value was -1/2, and my b value was minus or -1.5. And there you have it. We have our equation of a line through the points 1, -2, and -7, +2.